everybody, my name is makaylamashelle if you're new here, and if not, then welcome back to my channel. So you guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this unit, how I cut it, and did everything. This unit was originally 20 inches from Sunber hair. All the links in the description box as always. And I really just wanted to do something different, and so I decided to give it a little cute shortcut and do a bang. Now y'all, this hair is getting on my nerves, I'm not gonna lie. This hair is like great quality, but like this cut, honey, I'm over it. Like, I honestly am over short hair for right now. But if you guys like it, let me know in the comments, because I'm starting to feel like, wow, I should never wear bangs again. I should never wear short hair again. I should just never do anything like this ever again. So let me know if I'm just going crazy because I've had the hair too long. And yeah, but without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so if you are going to automatically cut your hair into a bang, you might not have to pluck the closure. However, I included this portion because I wanted you guys to see what the closure will come looking like if you do order this wig. And I suggest, even if you are going to wear it with the bang, just to pluck the closure in the beginning, because you never know if the wind gets to blowing. You don't want it to look like, okay girl, what does this girl have on her head? But you know, this is unnecessary if like you for sure are going to wear it in a bang and you know that. But like I said, I just wanted to include it because I did wear it without a bang for a little bit. Ooh, honey. Okay, I probably plucked this out a little bit too much. Yeah, a little bit too much. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We live, we learn, we move on. And yeah, the part was already pretty plucked, so I really didn't mess with that. And yeah. Alrighty, so now that everything is plucked, which I might really go back and pluck a little bit more. Nah, we gonna leave it alone. Okay, so now that everything is nice and plucked, I'm gonna go ahead and got to be it down. Y'all know I'm queen of got to being a wig. I do not glue any wig down. That's just not for me. I'm not doing it. Okay y'all, I have decided that I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. Okay guys, so I've decided that I'm gonna go ahead and cut this hair, and I'm like freaking out. I'm like really scared. Y'all, if this comes out bad, I'm gonna be so sick. Okay, I'm gonna cut it to like right here. Child, that was too short. I look like Bobby Yannon. Okay you guys, so before I decided to cut bangs in the hair, I actually stopped here and styled my hair and rocked it like this for a couple days, or actually it was more like a couple weeks. And it actually was really cute. I just got bored of it, but this is what it looked like before I cut the bangs. Okay you guys, so this is when I started to cut my bangs. Now basically all you're going to see me do is section off a square of hair in the front that I'm going to end up cutting and making my bang. Now this is my first time ever trying to do it this way, and it honestly wasn't my favorite way of like parting my hair to cut bangs, so I probably won't ever do it again, but this is how I did it. I feel like I need some different scissors. Y'all saw how rough that was trying to cut this. child. Oh no, Winnie. Oh no. That didn't mean to do all of that. Okay. Ooh. All right. This is not going. Okay, let's straighten this back out for a second. This will be so cute, right? Like, ooh, I'm a little 80s mom and I'm working now, working now, working now, little 80s mom, I'm working now. Ooh, 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 ooh. No, really though. Hold on, wait. This would be like such a cute little style. Got me a little shilling. Oh, that's cute. Cute, right? And y'all, this is a closure unit. Look at what a closure unit can do. Alright, you guys, so thank you so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, be sure to check out my other content. I'll have links to videos in the description box, comments, and on the screen at the end of the video that I think you guys will like. And be sure to subscribe, comment, like, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram at makaylamashelle. Bye.